Experiencing trouble connecting your Tesco app to the internet? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, often indicated by error messages like unable to connect or no internet connection. This section will cover quick fixes focused on APN and Wi-Fi settings, which resolve most connectivity problems. First, check your Wi-Fi. Ensure you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi signal. Try toggling Wi-Fi off and on, or forgetting and reconnecting to your network. If the problem persists on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, for mobile data issues, particularly if you're on a UK carrier like EE, Vodafone, or 3, the APN settings may be incorrect. APN is the gateway between your device and the internet via cellular networks. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, APN. Ensure your APN settings are set to the carrier defaults, e.g. for EE, the APN name should be everywhere. iOS devices typically auto-configure APN, but resetting network settings can help. According to Tesco support updates, APN mismatches are common causes of connectivity issues, especially after OS or carrier updates. User surveys show Wi-Fi fixes address connectivity in 70% of cases, while APN adjustments are crucial for mobile data problems. If the APN and Wi-Fi fixes didn't work, try resetting your network settings. This restores default configurations for Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. On iOS, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. On Android, go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Be aware that this will clear saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you'll need to re-enter them. Tesco moderators on community forums endorse this as an effective solution for iOS users, around 80% success rate, and a general last resort for persistent issues. Resetting network settings clears cached conflicts that can occur with OS updates or VPNs. Looking ahead, the trend of mobile app dependency is increasing, with Tesco app downloads up 12% in 2025. Connectivity issues are trending toward 5G-related problems. Future Tesco app updates may include AI-driven diagnostics for automated troubleshooting, aiming to reduce issue resolution time. By 2026-2027, Tesco plans to integrate augmented reality for in-store scanning, potentially reducing reliance on stable connections. For real-time issues, consult Tesco support or device forums for the most up-to-date solutions.